Yeah, these are the brake parts that I put on the bottom of the unit to hold it in place. And I had these installed and I tried them out and they really don't work. I mean, they work to a certain degree, but they don't hold the unit the way I expected it to. I had these rubber pieces on here, and I think it was a combination of things. You got the spring in here, and you have to overcome the spring to make it clamp down. And then I had the air leaks in it. It didn't leak here, but it leaked here around the cylinder, which I kind of expected. But in order to fix that, I'd have to make a bigger cylinder. And that's a little bit of work. And then putting a thread in there, that was a lot of work too. But I think it's we can go a different route. Now this piston in here was 3/4, and it really didn't seem strong enough to clamp down the way I expected it to. Like I said, it did clamp down, and I had both of them operating, but it wasn't the holding force I was looking for. So I was online and I saw this this guy here, Make It Extreme, and what he did was he put a disc brake system on this thing he was building, and that's I think that's kind of the way I'm going to have to go. I'm going to have to put a brake on each side, and I'm going to increase the piston diameter from 3/4 to 1 inch. And of course I'm going to have to make it work with what I got. It's kind of late to make any major changes to it, so I'm going to have to revisit this idea and come up with a different angle on it. So this is the unit here, and I expected, this being plastic, I expected it to not hold very well because it just wants to ride on that plastic. But I'm thinking that if I got this piece of channel, if I could put that on there somehow, I could probably put a disc brake system in there. Not as elaborate as this Make It Extreme, but something similar. And I'm going to try to make it work. That's the direction I'm going to go with now. I could probably do something with that. I'm not sure what. But it's like, people who carve stuff out of wood. They can see things inside, and they just gotta shape it until it comes to the outside. But yeah, I think we can do something. All right. Talk to you later.